Welcome to our tutorial on how to limit who can call you audio on X, Twitter, on your PC. Let's go through the steps together. To begin, open X on your PC and navigate to the Messages tab to access your messaging settings. Next, locate the Settings cog icon in the top right corner of the screen and click on it to open the Settings menu. Within the Settings menu, you will find the option to manage audio and video call permissions. Here, you can check and uncheck the boxes under Allow Audio and Video Calls from, based on your preferences. By customizing these settings, you can effectively limit who can call you audio on X, Twitter, giving you control over your communication preferences on the platform. Thank you for following along. We trust that this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to manage audio call permissions on X, Twitter, on your PC. Adjust your settings to suit your preferences and enjoy a more personalized communication experience on the platform.